Welcome to Gwaan Dancehall with Lex, getting the best of the best and the real of the real. Tifa is stirring that pot hunty, okay? Tifa had social media in a complete frenzy from this clip.
Educated, now gonna need Tropix go comment, and now gonna need share them comment. I be a done step on them people left something. I'm gonna take it back. I be a done step. Only for say, from Spell It Out, she never sang. But if Big Bumper drop, not the whole under the pan and the head top.
If Back It Up drop.
Jealous Over drop now.
Yeah.
I'm a sang this through
Clearly
some
break our
stuff.
spirit.
I have been through enough people couldn't hold that.
Who hasn't,
enough
Tifa?
people couldn't did all that like a G for 5 years. Cause if me never come out and say me did in accords, and they wouldn't know nothing.
That's true.
Not even man. Kind of for them a bitch too.
Although Tifa said what she said, others had things to say. Khago had posted a video, and here's what he had to say.
Tifa get her fame, when them buy Tifa fame, Tifa drink off the whole cup of fame one time, and she never serve for nobody. She and the one I acting. You understand? They turn the whole cup of fame at them out. Now them a ball and a cuss blagger. Yes, me cuss blagger when me feel for cuss them, but they know how nothing said. But Tifa, remember, you win best dress artist, best female artist, best song, you win Barry Salmon Award, Master Griffiths Award, Lady Star Award, Spice Award, Maca Diamond. I see Maca Diamond have all die. Jesus Christ, biggest song in the world, and Tifa she not even get nominated on that year that you go and you take the award with us.
Tifa was not too happy with that, so she posted this on her profile, and boy, she was ready for it. But wait, there's more. Khago then posted another video basically explaining that he was not dissing Tifa. He was just speaking his part. You can see more in the next clip here.
Tifa, you know we tolerate your Tifa just because you don't know. We tolerate special people and we know this special people. Take some time off now, Tifa, and go have 2 duck foot picnic and then sit in the Tifa and make them run up and down in your backyard and tie them up and rope and then sit in the Tifa. Why you try to style me Tifa, me not this.
But as Tifa said, she's flying out and getting booked, so Miss Festive, aka Ishawna, has reached back on social media. She's been gone for quite a while. We don't know what she's been doing, but I'm sure new music is about to drop. Spice joins in the fun with the Just Do It meme. She posted this picture on her Instagram, but there was a little bit of truth to that. A couple weeks ago, we had reported that Spice had issues with VP Records in regards of releasing her album. So, VP Records, Just Do It. Rameech expands his brand even more, now signing TJ onto his entertainment. Hood Celebrityy stirred it up too, while posting this picture on social media. Although the star might not actually be true, it's showing where she wants to reach and she has nothing stopping her. She also released her mixtape on August 31st called In a Real Life. If you haven't checked that out, you can check it out. Gwaan will be released in less than 90 days. This picture had surfaced on social media a couple days ago, and yes, we are ready for it. There's also news reporting that he will be coming out with a tour in 2019 as well. Locations have not been set yet, but me I'm gonna reach one of them here. But that is it for Gwaan Dancehall. Tune in next week for more dancehall entertainment.